Yeah. Once read this question.
The length of lattice rectum of the hyperbola 25y square minus 16x square equals 400 is.
Right. With your own understanding, you can solve this question first. Right? Without knowing what is hyperbola and what is the form, what is the shape of hyperbola, without knowing anything, you can solve it. Try your answer. Just divide both sides by
400.
yes. Go ahead. What is a square?
20. 16, sir.
Very good.
And b square is 25.
Yeah. Which is a is greater than b or a is less than b?
A is less than b, sir.
Right. Do you remember last time we discussed two formulae for length of lattice rectum? One formula is 2b square by a. One formula is 2b square by a. Another formula, do you remember?
2b square by a and then 2a square by b.
One formula is 2b square by a. Another formula is
2a square by b.
which formula is right here in your opinion?
Sir, 2, the second case, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
2
very good, very good.
a square by b.
Yeah, right. Go ahead. That's right.
Thirty-two by 5.
How much? Yes.
Sir, is it 32 by 5, sir?
2a square.
2a square 2 times 16 by 25.
Oh, 2 times. So what's first formula? Have you
Y
observed?
square by.
Yeah, yeah. Have you observed that the first value is y square? The second,
Yes, sir. So does it have to be flipped?
yeah,
So
yeah,
it will be. So in that case, aren't we using the first formula itself, sir?
yeah, yeah,
2b square by 8.
correct only.
2 times 25 by
Yeah, 2
16.
times 25 by
16.
16. Yeah, what is a? It is not a square is 16.
Oh, a is 4, so sorry. 25 by 2.
That's good.
Option
Option,
4. 4, sir.
yeah, option 4 is correct. Correct only. What is asked? Do you remember formula for distance between foci?
Sir,
Distance between foci. Foci formula.
that's or minus AE comma 0.
Okay, that is a
And
center. The distance of focus from center is AE. The distance of another foci from center is AE.
0 comma plus or minus B.
Yeah, correct only. See, it is center C. This focus is at a distance of AE. That's why its coordinates are AE comma 0. This focus is at a distance of AE. Center coordinates are 0, 0. That's why S is A, comma 0. This S dash is minus A, comma 0.
Yes.
So this distance is AE, this distance is AE. Totally sum of the two distances is?
2AE.
Yeah, very good. We used many times this formula. Distance
Yes.
between foci is 2AE.
Yes.
Right? Try to solve it. What is A here? Very clearly.
4, sir.
Very good. E, how to find E? Previously, how did we find E?
E equals root A square minus B square by A square.
Very good. But now the difference is, yes, there is a minus, now it is plus. Only the difference. That only the difference.
Yes, sir.
Find E.
So 16 plus 9 by 16. 25 by 16. 5 by 4, sir.
Very good. Go ahead.
So A times 4 times 5 by 4. So is it 5? What?
AE is equal to 5. But we are asked to find the distance between two foci.
Oh,
A,
2A. So 2 times 5. That's 10, sir.
very good. Option?
Option B, second option.
Right. It's very interesting. You can solve it.
Semi-transverse axis. So what is semi-transverse axis?
Yeah, yeah. Previously, we call it major axis.
Major.
Previously, its name is, in ellipse, its name is major axis. Now its name is transverse axis. So what is the length of major axis?
X-axis y equals 0, sir.
Major axis. In ellipse, what is major?
Length of major 2A, sir.
Very good, very good. Semi means?
2A, sir. Or A, sir.
Yes, very good. Yeah, it is A. Then everything is same. Lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum.
So if the parabola has the length of lattice rectum that equals A, sir. So 2
In parabola, it is 4A. In ellipse,
2B squared by A equals A.
that's good. This is 2B square by A. This is equal to,
2B squared by A equals A.
yeah.
2B square equals A square.
Very good. What is asked? E is asked. E formula.
A square plus B square by A square.
Very good. Go ahead.
Oh, root of 2B square plus B square equals A square by 2. So A square by 2 by 2B square.
Yes.
4B square plus A square by 2B square. 4B square plus A square.
T plus A square. What
Sir?
is square equal to?
Sir?
A square equal to?
A
We
square.
equated these two values.
Oh, 2B square. Sir. Oh, yeah. So 4b square plus 2b square
How much?
by 2.
Tell again. A square
So
is,
b square by 2 times 1 by 2b square. That's
see, what is A square?
say 2b square.
Plus,
Say is the answer 3 by 2?
very good. 3 by 2 or root square root of 3 by 2.
3 by 2, sir.
Where has root gone?
Oh, yeah, where has root 3 by 2, sir?
The square root of 3 by 2. Very good. You are doing many sums. Yeah, you can do it.
The ratio between the transverse axis and conjugate axis of hyperbola is 5:2, then it's E.
A. It is B. It can be taken as A. Or in detail, you can take A is equal to 5 alpha. Then B is
B is
equal
equal
to 1.
to 5 beta, sorry, 2 beta or
Here,
2 alpha.
ratio is 5 is to 2. Then what is A is to B? 5 alpha is to 2 alpha. What is 5 alpha is to 2 alpha? Alpha alpha cancels.
Oh, 5:2, yes.
Yes.
So we can write 5 alpha whole square plus 2 alpha whole square by
Good, very good. Go ahead.
5 alpha. 25 alpha square plus 4 alpha square by 5 alpha equals root 29 alpha square by 5 alpha. So is it root 29 by 5?
That's root 29 by
5.
yes, root 29 by 5. Very good. You can solve it.
Equation of the parabola with vertex and
Vertex
focus
4 comma 0. You know, do you remember vertex formula? A comma 0.
a comma 0 plus or minus a comma 0.
Oh, yes, yes. It is A. A is equal to 4. Focus, you know, do you remember?
Yes, sir. Plus or minus a e comma
Very
0.
good. It is one focus is 6 comma 0. Then another focus is minus 6 comma 0.
A equals 4 and a equals 6.
Yes. From these two statements, you can find the value of E.
Yes, sir. 3 by 2. 3 by 2.
Very good. Excellent. E is equal to 3 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember previously the most used formula in ellipse is B square is
B
equal?
square equals a square times 1 minus e square.
Here it is reverse. E square minus 1. That is the one
Oh,
the difference. Go ahead.
b square equals a square times e square minus 1. B square equals e square 16 times 9 by 4 minus 1. Square equals 9 by 4. B square equals 20. So is it option 1? X square by
Very
16
good.
minus 5.
Very good. Yeah, you may have one question. Why formula here why the formula for B square is A square times E square minus 1? Do you remember what is formula for E?
E equals root of a square plus b square by a square.
Squaring on both sides.
A square plus b square by a.
Square.
Oh, yes, sir.
Cross multiplication.
E square a square equals a square plus b square.
A square E square minus A square is equal to B square, right?
Yes.
Take A square comma
E square minus 1 equals B square.
That's the formula.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes. I'm sure. I'm confident that you can also solve this sum also.
Equation of the parabola with center 0, distance between the foci is 18. Distance between directrix 8x. A equals
Distance
18.
A is equal to
A by E. So A is 18. A by E is 8.
just wait. Distance between foci
Oh, so is it distance from center to foci?
is A. Distance of
Yes, sir. Foci is foci is 8 plus or minus 18 comma 1 0, sir.
just see
Not
once.
1 0.
Distance between foci is
Oh, 2AE equals 18.
yeah,
Okay, 2AE equals 18.
yeah.
AE equals 9.
Very good. Go ahead.
A by E equals 8, sir.
Very good.
So
No.
A,
Two. This is see. A by C.
so A by E, yeah, A by E.
One directrix is at a distance of A by E from center.
Yes, sir.
This is A by E. This
Yes,
is
sir.
another directrix is.
2 times A by E
Yeah, very good.
equals 8. A by E equals 4. So A by E equals 4.
AE is equal to 9.
A equals 9. A by E equals 4.
Yeah, you can do it on the screen. Whatever the calculation. Yeah, A by E is equal to 4, right?
Yes, sir. I don't think I can do it. Try. One second. A by E. Oh,
Okay,
never mind.
not comfortable.
A by E equals 4. So I'm not on the iPad today, sir.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, do it on your paper. A by E is equal to what is
A
E?
by E equals 4.
Very good. Then what is A?
A equals 4E, sir.
Very good. And
4E times E equals
yeah,
9.
use this
4 is 4 equals 9.
2AE
2AE.
is equal to 18.
2AE equals 18, sir.
AE is equal.
9, sir.
Very good. 3 plus A. What happens?
Yes, A by, oh, yes, sir. 4E times E equals 9.
Very good.
4E square equals 9.
Very good.
E square equals 9 by 4. E equals 3 by 2.
That's good.
A times 3 by 2 equals 9. A equals
Yes,
9
yes.
times 2 by
Go ahead.
3.
Go ahead.
A equals 4, sir.
4 times E. What is E?
4 times E is 3 by 2, sir.
Very good. How many times?
Sir, 2 times.
Hmm. Then
6 by 6, sir.
that's good. A is equal to 6. How to find B? You know the formula for B square. Just now we discussed it.
So 4 times 3 by 2.
Yeah, 4 times 3
A
by 2.
equals 4. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
B square is equal.
B square equals A square times E square minus 1.
Very good. A square, E square minus A square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is AE?
9, sir. 9 square 81. 81 minus 36. B square equals
Yes,
1 minus
that's right.
36. 45 sub.
That's good.
B square is 45. Oh, option 1 sir, 36 and
Very
45.
good, very good. Yes, you can do it.
Equation of the hyperbola foci and transverse line of length 8 is foci is plus or minus pi 0 and transverse of length is 8. So is the major axis 8, sir?
Yes, yes, you are right.
Major axis is 8.
In
So
ellipse,
2a equals 8.
yeah,
8 equals 4.
In America, it is called trapezoid. In British, it is called trapezium. Like that, in ellipse, it is called major axis. In hyperbola, it is called transverse axis. The concept is same, but name is different only.
Yes, sir. The A is 4, sir.
AE is equal to 5. Agree?
Yes, sir. A equals 5.
That's good.
Now
Very
A is
good.
4 times E equals 5. E equals 5 by 4.
A is what is A? A is equal to 4. Right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Yeah.
E equals 5 by 4.
Very good. Find B square. Find B square.
B square equals A square times E square minus 1. B square equals 16 times 5 25 by 16. B square equals 16 times 9 by 16. B square equals 9, sir.
Very good. Go ahead.
X square by 16, sorry, plus 4 plus y square by 3 equals 1.
Y square by 3.
So is it option 3, sir?
What is A? No, no, no. It should be. It shouldn't be plus minus. What is A square?
For 16, sir.
Very good. B square.
9, sir. Oh, yes.
Yeah. Since it is a hyperbola, it must be minus x square by
Okay.
e square.
So then is it option 1, sir?
Very good. That's good. That's good. Yes, you can do it easily.
The equation of hyperbola whose foci are negative 2 and 2 and the eccentricity is 2 is given by, so AE equals 2.
Very good. E is directly given.
E equals 2. So times 2 equals to A equals 1, sir.
Very good.
A is 1.
Very good.
E 2. B square equals A square times E square 4 minus 1. B square equals 1 times 3. B square equals 3. So it's x square minus 3y square equals 3. So is it option 2, sir?
Very good. That's correct. Right. Now, let us have introduction of hyperbola. I have sent it to you and
Yes, sir.
go through it deeply
Yes.
and try to understand its concept and try to solve as many questions as possible. It has the total, complete information.
Yes.
Every formula, every point, all kind of problems are there. Let's have a look at the table. Table is very, very important.
Yes.
Here, the two types of hyperbola are compared. We need to compare these values with the ellipse values. Yeah, focus on the first column. That means hyperbola, middle column. Focus on the middle column only.
Yes, sir.
What is the standard equation?
X square by a square minus y square by b square equals 1.
On the other hand, general standard equation for ellipse is
X square by a square minus y square by b square equals -1.
for ellipse. We are comparing these values to
Oh, x square by y, x
by a
square
square.
by a square plus y square by b square equals
That's good.
1.
That's good. Yeah, because we had deep study on ellipse and we are learning hyperbola. Just we are comparing the values of hyperbola, that of ellipse. Yeah, center
0, 0.
same.
Yes, sir.
Next, eccentricity.
Root a square minus b square by a square.
Yeah, here
Root a square plus b square by
only the difference is
a square and the plus and minus.
no. There it is minus root of a square minus b square by a square.
Yes, sir. Here it's only a and b now, sir. There's no a square in the denominator.
Middle sign is the difference only. Plus,
Yes, sir.
it's plus there. There it is minus, right? Okay. The next formula, sub formula for eccentricity, related formula.
B square equals a square times e square minus 1.
There,
It's b square equals a square times 1 minus c square.
very good, very good. Next,
For psi is plus or minus a comma 0.
there,
Plus or minus a comma 0. Sir.
very good. Same.
Vertices is also same, sir. Plus or minus a comma
Next,
0.
next.
Length of lattice rectum is also same.
Very good.
Transverse
Yeah.
axis and
There
here
it's called
major axis.
major axis. Here it is called transverse axis. Very good. Yeah. Good understanding. Right. Go ahead. Improve your understanding. Right.
Conjugate axis is
Yes.
the
Conjugate
minor
axis.
axis.
What's your guess?
Minor axis.
Very good. There it is called minor axis. Here it is called conjugate axis.
Yes,
Conjugate
sir.
axis equal to minor axis. Right. Very good.
The directrix is same, sir.
Yeah. Conjugate axis,
Yes.
transverse axis are same.
Yes, sir.
Next.
The lat recta is the same as foci.
Yeah. You know the word lattice recta,
Yes, kind of know.
but we call it lattice rectum.
Yes.
See, equations of lattice recta. Lattice recta is plural of lattice rectum, as foci is plural of focus.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Right. Yeah. Equations of lattice recta. Okay. We do. Okay. Next. Equations of the transverse. Okay. Next. Equations of the conjugate axis. Yeah. Equation of transverse axis. That is
Major axis and minor axis.
same.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
their major axis is x-axis. That is y is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Another name for x-axis y is equal to 0. Here, y is equal to 0. Same. Yeah, we didn't discuss. Do you remember we had this last but one formula?
Yes, sir.
SP plus S dash P is equal to A.
Yes,
Yeah, we also proved it.
yes, sir.
But here the difference is only minus.
Yes, sir.
Right. It's a tour of ellipse. Yeah, first have a got an idea of a ellipse. Here
Yes,
red line is ellipse.
yes, sir.
Red line is ellipse.
Yes,
Of course, it is a typing mistake, that not graphical mistake. It is not to scale. Today I will make videos with this tip. It's really saved 90% of my time in making
yes.
PPTs.
Mm.
How simple it is. Previously, I did many modifications. First, I saved it and I screenshotted it. I saved it, and go to websites which converts that is PDFs to
Yes,
PPTs. Yeah, simple process, right? Let's have a look at it. This is hyperbola, right?
yes, yes,
Tomorrow we will learn the story of this hyperbola also, as we did for ellipse. It's very
yes,
challenging to learn that derivation is challenging. Try. You know why I am saying it may not correct. If we continue, it may be closed. If you continue the red lines, what
yes.
happens? It may be closed. Except ellipse, except ellipse, remaining two. Yeah, correct one. No, no problem. It cannot be closed. If it is like this, it is closed.
Yes,
It's not that way. It's hyperbola, right? See, it is center.
yes,
It is focus. It is vertex. What is the difference between vertex? Yes, the position of vertex with focus when compared to ellipse. In ellipse, it is focus. It is vertex. Okay,
yes,
that the difference is positive vertex is right side of positive focus. Understand? Understood?
yes, yes, sir.
This is positive vertex. This is positive focus. Positive vertex is right side of positive focus. But here,
Left side, sir.
yes, left side. The case is different. That part also. And one more thing, it is directrices. Directrices is positive directrices is right side of positive focus.
Sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Positive directrices is right side of positive focus. Here,
Left, sir.
yes, that's right. And the main difference is SP by PM is equal to 1. That means SP is equal to PM. What is this formula for?
SP equals EPM.
Yes. No, no, no. E not there. Just one now. SP by PM
Yes,
is equal to 1.
yes, sir.
Then SP is equal.
PM.
Very good. Then it is called parabola. And the essential thing is SP by PM is E. SP by PM is E.
Yes,
Right? E is
yes,
equal to 1. E is equal to 1. Then it is parabola.
yes,
Next, SP by PM is equal to E. Here also it is E. We need to write E there. But the value of E is 1 in case of parabola. That's why we
yes,
wrote 1. Right. SP by PM is equal to E. E grad E less than 1. Do you remember what happens when E less than 1? It is ellipse.
yes, sir.
Let's write the same points in another way. That is, the main thing is SP by PM is equal to E. E is equal to 1, parabola. E less than 1, ellipse. E greater than 1, hyperbola. In ellipse, we saw the values of E are 1 by 2 or 1 by 3, root of 2 by 3, 1 by root 2, like that, like this, right?
Yes,
Understand that all these values are less than 1. 1 by 2 is less than 1, right?
yes,
But in this chapter, we understand that E of one in one question, E is equal to 1, E is equal to 2, right? It is given E is equal to.
yes,
In one question, we have got E value 3 by 2.
yes.
If 3 by 2 is greater than 1 or less than 1?
Less than ones.
3 by 2, 3 by 2.
Oh, greater than ones.
Yeah. That's the difference between ellipse and hyperbola. The difference between ellipse and hyperbola is E is less than 1, it is ellipse. E is greater than 1, it is a hyperbola. Okay?
Hyperbola.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's rewrite the points on our own, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What are the coordinates of S? Sorry, what are the coordinates of the standard formula? Standard first point equation. What is its standard equation? Standard equation of hyperbola.
X square by A square minus Y square by B square equals 1.
Excellent. Very good. Next, it is the shape. Next point we wrote shape, right?
Yes,
Shape is very clear. Next, center. 0, 0.
yes.
Center means C. It is 0, 0, right? Next, focus. Right for positive focus is
Left side, sir.
positive focus coordinates. S coordinates.
Um, A comma 0.
Very good. S dash. It is S dash.
Negative A comma 0.
Vertex A. Go ahead.
2 AE.
No, no, no.
Sorry, A comma 0.
A dash.
Negative A comma 0.
Okay. Next, this is Z. X is equal to, the distance is A by E, same distance.
Yes.
X is equal to,
A by E.
very good. X is equal to
Negative A by E.
negative A by E, right? Do you know how to rotate? We need to rotate this. You know how to rotate? 90-degree, rotate 90 degrees.
Yes, yes. So the
Yeah,
green color thing.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that is
That's good.
rotation.
That's good. Very good. Good, good. See, this is called conjugate hyperbola, but there is small changes. Firstly, its name is conjugate hyperbola. It's called. It has a special name, but in ellipse there is no name for a second category ellipse. Second type of ellipse has no name. Do you remember? We call it case one.
Yes,
It
sir.
is case two. Like that only, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't have it. Don't. It doesn't have a special name. The
Yes,
second
sir.
case, we just call it second case two ellipse, right?
Yes, sir.
But here, the second case hyperbola has a special name. That name is
Yes,
conjugate hyperbola. Conjugate hyperbola. But it is not y-axis, it is x-axis. It is y-axis.
yes.
That's it. Yeah. Now tell center equation. Let me tell you the equation. The equation is very special. What is case two ellipse formula? Same, but a less than b, right?
Yes.
But here major change is there. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. That is the difference. What is standard
Yes.
equation for conjugate hyperbola? Standard equation for conjugate hyperbola.
2b, sir.
No, just for this is the formula. Standard equation for conjugate hyperbola is x square by a
Oh,
square
x
minus
square
y
by x
square by
square
b
minus
square.
y square by b square equals -1.
Yes, but sometimes it is written as y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. Do you remember the first question is written like this only?
Yes, sir.
What happens here? Multiplying both sides by
1.
negative.
Yes.
X square by a square times negative minus x square by a square.
Yes, sir.
Multiplying both sides by minus, that is negative.
Yes.
Minus of minus y square by b square is plus y square by b square.
Yes.
Negative of negative 1 is positive 1.
Yes, sir.
How it comes? How second equation comes? Just by multiplying the first equation by a negative.
Negative.
Got it?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
standard equation of conjugate hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1 or y square by b square minus x square by a square equal to 1. Do you remember the first question? Yes. X square term is second term, y square term is first term. Unlike the general equations. Generally, in the entire ellipse, we observed x square term is first term, y square term is second term. Got it?
Yes.
But here, y square term is first term and x square term is second term.
Yes.
How can we understand this equation? This equation is nothing but, is it hyperbola or conjugate hyperbola?
Conjugate
Very good.
hyperbola.
That means second case hyperbola.
Yes.
Now, tell the values, labeling. C. Center coordinates 0, 0. X axis, y axis meet at origin only. That's why C is equal to 0, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
S coordinates. In the previous, it is A comma 0. Now,
Yeah.
0 comma,
0
because
comma A,
BA, BA.
B, E. Yes.
S dash.
0 comma negative B.
Very good. A. 0 comma B, right?
Yes.
Here, 0
0
comma
comma negative B.
directress is Y is equal. There it is X is equal.
Yes, sir. Y equals B by E.
Very good. It is
Y
minus.
equals
It is downwards. That's why it is negative.
yes, sir. Now
Y
Y
equal
equals
to
B by E.
B by E. Okay.
Yes.
And what else? Yeah, right. It is just for our understanding, but we can go through that point, that table. Yeah. Once have a look at conjugate hyperbola, because it has a special name. We need it. We should learn its definition. Just read conjugate hyperbola definition.
A conic is said to be a hyperbola if its eccentricity is greater than 1.
Here it is. Read.
Oh, the conjugate hyperbola. The hyperbola whose transverse and conjugate axes are respectively the conjugate and transverse axes of given hyperbola is called the conjugate hyperbola of the given hyperbola.
Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Reverse. Transverse and conjugate axis are reversed.
Yes.
There it is transverse axis. It is conjugate axis. There conjugate axis. It is transverse axis. Yeah.
Yes.
What are the actual names? What are the names of those transverse and conjugate axis in ellipse?
Major and minors.
Very good. Parametric equation. Yeah. Now, let's compare the formula for hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola. Previously, we compared the values, the formula with two ellipse. Now we compare this formula with conjugate hyperbola. Yeah. Standard equation same.
Yes.
Hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola. What is the difference between standard equations in hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola?
X square by A square minus Y square by B square equals 1 for hyperbola. And for conjugate hyperbola, it's X square by A square minus Y square by B square equals -1.
Yeah, the difference is?
The negative ones.
Very good, very good. Center?
Both of them are 0, 0.
Very good. Eccentricity?
For E
Same.
equals
Because
root A.
yeah, you know, do you remember in ellipse we have different formula for eccentricity?
Yes.
We have, yeah, the difference is denominator is different.
Yes.
Hyperbola, its denominator is A. For conjugate hyperbola, its denominator is B.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
And the next formula also, B square is equal to A square times C square minus 1. Here A square is equal to B square times C square minus 1.
Yes.
Yeah. Foci?
The foci is plus or minus A, 0 for hyperbola. And for conjugate hyperbola, it's 0, plus or minus B.
Very good. Vertices?
It's plus or minus A, 0 and 0, plus or minus B.
Very good. Length of lattice
For
rectum?
length of lattice rectum, it's 2B squared by A. And for conjugate hyperbola, it's 2A squared by B.
Yeah. Next, it's very interesting.
And
Length of transverse axis in first category, first case is
2A. And for
yeah,
the second case, it's 2B.
reverse.
Yes, sir. The conjugate axis is, for the first case is 2B and for the second case it's 2A.
Very good. Next,
The equation of directrix is X equals plus or minus A by E for the first one, and for the second one, it's y equals plus or minus b by e.
That's it. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah. Now, I suggest you, I recommend you
Yes.
to prepare the replica of this chart. Okay, and
Yes.
place it at our studies. And I request you, I suggest you, we did second HW sums in today's class.
Yes.
And this is remember the page number 165. In
165.
page number 165, there are sums. Note the sum numbers.
1 second, sir. 165.
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
giving the
sir.
sum numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
4,
4,
5,
5,
8,
8,
10,
10,
13.
13. Yes.
Enough. Try these sums as homework. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
These are parallel questions for HW sums. Here, these are CW.
Yes.
What is CW?
Class for
Yeah,
homework.
HW homework. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, and tomorrow it's very interesting and very challenging to learn the story of standard equation.
Yes.
What do you mean by story of standard equation?
This how
Yeah,
standard
derivation.
equation.
And in general language, it is called flashback. How the
Yes.
equation x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 comes. Okay, there
Yes.
are very lot of very useful and interesting things to learn in hyperbola, and there are some special concepts are there. Those are called. Have you ever seen horizontal line when we are at the top of the building and see the distance? That means on the ground, it seems that earth and sky meets at somewhere. Have you ever experienced this?
Mm.
When you are at the top of the building and see the
Building.
ground, yeah, in childhood we may think that at somewhere yeah, sky meets the earth. That is
Yes, sir.
called horizontal line in English.
Yes,
Horizontal
sir.
line, in general it is called horizontal line. In Telugu it is called kshitija rekha, but
Mm.
they do never meet. Likewise,
Yes.
yeah, likewise there is this interesting concept in hyperbola. I'm showing the rectangle hyperbola. Asymptotes. That's
Yes.
very interesting topic.
Yes, sir.
Asymptotes. Asymptotes means curve, a
Yes,
tangent.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
They look like
tangents.
they're meeting, but they don't meet the number.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. How do you know?
We have asymptotes, sir. Not that deep, but we do have
Yeah,
vertical, and we only have vertical and horizontal asymptotes.
yeah, very good. Vertical and horizontal vertices. Right, right. Vertical and horizontal asymptotes are nothing but coordinate axis.
Coordinate axis. Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, these asymptotes are basically tangents. They seem to be meet, but they never meet.
Yes, sir.
They meet at the end of the universe only.
Yes.
Yeah, those are very interesting points we will learn. You will have a
Yes.
deep study. You will be strengthened in the concept. You will have a strong concept, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I prepared papers. So I need to get science. 3% are told me to sign on papers. So for applying, I'm trying. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I showed it just for understanding. Let me show that they listen just for our knowledge. Even the next times you may attend. No, in my group, everyone saying why America, no entry from America. That means see, these are the edition, previous results. These are South Korea, India, Japan. Yeah, there is no name, not even one from America. And a multiplication. I told you how to. Sometimes I told you some shortcuts.
Yes, sir. You did.
Yeah, regarding this, the first place, Aryan Shukla, India, and surprisingly, he is champion of juniors, and overall champion is also this boy. At that time, his age was 13 years only, and
Oh.
he is genuine Königswede, and I appreciate his efforts. Genuine Collins is a German professor. Right from 2004, he participated in every competition. Yeah, genuine Königswede. At that time, he is around 60 years, Germany. That person is beaten by this Aryan Shukla at the age of 13. Indian, Spain, Algeria, Colombia, Germany. Yeah, Indians has much contribution in it. It is proud to say more many Indians participated. Okay, and yeah, Indians need to compete with Indians only in this competition. Overall champion is the Indian only. Aryan Shukla, he is the India overall champion. And Spain, India, Mongolia, Turkey, Sweden, Kyrgyzstan. Yeah, I have no contribution from Pakistan also. Do you know? Can you spell it? Read it. It's the first time to see this country. Yeah, it's the first time. Culture, yeah, right. Yeah, maybe the first participant from yeah. Oh, okay. Cuba is a part of USA.
Cuba, yes, I think.
There, its name was Cuba. Now no. That person maybe migrated to USA. Can we understand like that?
Cuba, North America, yes, sir. It is Cuba.
Cuba is a different country.
Yes, maybe.
Right.
Yes. Now it's
Sometimes you may. Yeah, I have doubt, Tanika. If you
yes.
participate in this competition, what's the name of country beside your name?
Oh, I think it'll be India only, sir, because
Okay. Yeah, India,
I'm not a citizen.
not USA.
Or maybe it's the place that we register it from, sir.
Yeah,
If I register from USA, it might be USA, and if I register from India, it's India.
yeah. They took the address for communication.
Oh, then it'll be USA, I think so, sir.
Yeah, right. They asked clear address of communication to send a papers and invitation like that. Okay, right. Sometimes you must participate. Yeah, in 2004 I was invited, but even in 2024 I am trying. I am planning. Okay, someday you will be in that list. The list I showed to you, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Tanika.
Thank you,
Right.
sir.
See you in the next class. And meanwhile, have a study of that file, PDF file. Okay?
Yes.
Right.
Have a good day, sir.